Hello friends, welcome you back to Dipesh Patni Education Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you some trading insights or levels of a crude oil, where exactly and how the crude oil is performing right now. Got it? So this is the crude oil chart, whatever you can call US oil. There are various CFDs based on this. Okay, so here, what do you see right now? Because if you consider the fundamentally, there is a geopolitics between the two countries, right? Geopolitic war is happening. So what exactly this war? It's the war is between Iran and Israel. Okay, and US stands with the Israel, and US and Israel, they combined together and they operated a operation on Iran, and they killed a president in Iran, and this is the reason why there is a important export trade between these countries is difficult right now. Got it? Because of this, there is a huge demand of crude oil, and there is very less supply of crude oil. This is the reason why the crude oil price is jumping. Okay. See here, if you consider this, if you consider the key levels of the crude oil, then we can see that the price was consolidating on this support zone. The price is consolidating on the support zone, and after that, as soon as the war break out, and the this stock also gave you a very good breakout. So always remember, whenever the crude oil goes upside, it doesn't mean that it is good, it's performing good. No, it means that the other countries are facing a problem. Got it? So whenever, if the crude price went upside, then of course the country has to pay a lot of price for the oil, right? And it is indirectly affecting the citizens of that country for petrol, kerosene, and diesel, whatever we need for our daily actions, right? So this is the reason why the price right now huge volatility on the crude oil, because it is because of the war, the first thing. And the second thing is that right now on the technically, we see that the price broke a trend line on a daily time frame. And of course, daily time frame, the higher time frame says huge accuracy. Got it? So not accuracy, it's a, we can see that if any levels broken on the higher time frame, we can say that the trend is strong. So right now, see that the price took all the liquidity of this trend line, and also it gave a breakout on this particular resistance. And other than that, if you see that it is already 65% upside in just 3 days. Got it? In just 3 to 4 days. So this is the reason right now it is very difficult to buy a crude oil right now, if you are trading in commodity. So I suggest that stay away from the market right now, because the war is happening. So don't try to engage in any trades, because the stock price of this particular crude oil is very huge, and also the volatility is also very huge. So this is not a right time. So still, if you want to trade, then go with a very minimum lower lots, where with a defined risk management. Got it? So without experience, don't trade in the market. Of course, it is going to harm you financially. So if you want to learn the trading in a very good way, if you want to make some returns out of the market, then in terms of education, if you want to gain an education, then Dipesh Patni Education Academy, we provide education in a stock market, not only in the commodity but also in the crypto, forex, and also in Indian markets like derivative, equity, cash market. Okay, so these are all we covered in our academy. So if you want to learn this, then feel free to contact us. But only in crypto and forex we support for a trading, but other than in Indian market, we only give an education. Got it? So enroll with us. I will be seeing you in the class. Thank you.